If your Lincoln is equipped with a towing package, there are some things you should know about connecting the electrical system. Since wiring a trailer can be tricky, it's important to contact your Lincoln dealer to make sure that you have all of the wiring installation and any other electrical equipment needed, as well as for assistance in the actual installation. Once your trailer is connected, there are a few things you should keep in mind. For starters, trailer lamps are required on most towed vehicles, so it's important to check that all of the running lights, brake lights, turn signals, and hazard lights are working. Remember, never connect any trailer lamp wiring to your vehicle's tail lamp wiring, as it may damage your electrical system or cause a fire. And one more thing, it's a good idea to check your electrical connections after you have traveled 50 miles to make sure that nothing has come loose. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit lincolnowner.com.